Hi students, welcome to maths class. Today we are studying about integrating product of two functions. Okay, that is integration by parts. Let us suppose that u and v are two functions of x. Let us suppose that u and v are two functions of x. Then by product rule we can write d by dx of uv is equal to, listen, if u and v are two functions of x, then by product rule we can write d by dx of u into v is equal to first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first, that is d by dx of uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Okay, we are applying the product rule. Remember that d by dx of uv is equal to first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. Okay. Then integrating both sides with respect to x, we get integral of d by dx of uv dx is equal to integral of u into dv by dx into dx plus integral of v into du by dx into dx. Okay, that is, we can write integral of, this will become dx and dx cancel, the remaining is integral of d of uv is equal to integral of u dv plus integral of v du. Okay, we get integral of duv is equal to integral of u dv plus integral of v du. Okay, that is integral of d is cancelling, then the remaining is uv. uv is equal to integral of u into dv plus integral of v du. Okay, just listen, d by dx of uv, we are applying the product rule, then integrating both sides, then we will get uv is equal to integral of u dv plus integral of v du. Okay, then the remaining is, that is, now we can write integral of, we are shifting this one, the remaining portion is here, the remaining portion is, therefore from this step we can move to another step, that is integral of u dv. Integral of u dv is equal to, integral of u dv is equal to, this integral v dx is shifting to here, then it will become minus integral v du, that is integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral of this can be written as duv. Okay, that is, remember that integral of u v dash is equal to uv minus integral of u dash v. Okay, very important, integral of u dash v. Okay, Okay, integral of u dash v. This equation is very important. Okay, integral of u v dash is equal to uv minus integral of u dash v. Remember that u dash is du and v dash is du. Okay, very important. Remember that integral of u v dash is equal to uv minus integral of u dash v. Remember that u dash is du and v dash is du. Okay, please write down on your notebook. Very important. If two functions are the product of two different types, how to arrange these functions? That is very important. For that purpose, we may remember a code. That code is ILATE. ILATE is the code. For example, if two functions are given, integral of e raised to x into x cubed dx. For example, we want to find out integral e raised to x into x cubed dx. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഫംഗ്ഷൻ വന്നാൽ ഇതിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആയി ഏത് എടുക്കും? That means what is u and what is v. Okay, for this purpose we may remember a code. That code is ILATE. Here I represent inverse trigonometric function. L represent logarithmic function. A represent algebraic function. And T represents trigonometric function. And E represent exponential function. This is the order. Okay, remember that. ഇതൊരു കോഡാണ്. രണ്ട് ഫംഗ്ഷൻസ് തന്നിരുന്നാൽ അതിൽ ഏത് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കും എന്നതിനുള്ള കോഡാണ്. കോഡ് ഇതാണ് ILATE. Here I denote inverse trigonometric function, L denote logarithmic function, A denote algebraic function, and T denote trigonometric function, and the last one is exponential function. For example, if our question is integral e raised to x cubed dx, then what is our first function? This is the order. Here e is the exponential function, which is the last function. Therefore, arrange these two. Here first is exponential, second is algebraic. But we know that the correct order is ILATE. First you may write algebraic, then exponential. Therefore, this question can be written as integral x cube into e raised to x dx. Then we can solve it. Okay, ഇതൊരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആണ്. ഇതുപോലെ രണ്ട് ഫംഗ്ഷൻസ് വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആയിട്ട് ഏത് എടുക്കണം? ഓൾജിബ്രായിക് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ എടുക്കണം. The second one is exponential. This is the correct order. Okay, ILATE is the correct order. Okay, now we can do some problems. Okay, my first question is evaluate integral x e raised to x dx. Evaluate integral x e raised to x dx. Okay, here what is our u? U equal to x and v equal to e raised to x. Okay, u and v. Then we know that integral of uv dash is equal to uv minus integral of u dash. Okay, this is our equation. Therefore, we can write integral of x e raised to x dx is equal to u into v. That is, u is our first function x into second one is integral of e raised to x. That is e raised to x minus integral of u dash. U dash means the derivative of the first function. Here our first function is x, its derivative is 1. into integral of second e raised to x dx. That is equal to x into e raised to x minus integral e raised to x dx. That is equal to x into e raised to x minus integral of e raised to x is e raised to x. This can be written as e raised to x can be taken outside. E raised to x into the remaining is x minus 1. This is our final answer. Okay. Final answer is e raised to x into x minus 1. Okay. Remember that integral of product of two function is equal to first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function. Okay, that is the order. Very, very important. Okay, first question is find integral x e raised to x dx. Answer is e raised to x into x minus 1. Please write down on your notebook. Now our next question is evaluate integral x sin 2x dx. Okay, our next question is integral x sin 2x dx. Okay, here u equal to x and v dash is equal to sin 2x. Okay, first function is x and v dash is equal to sin 2x. Then we know that what is integral of v dx. Integral of v dx is equal to integral of not v dx. We can first find out integral of sin 2x dx. What is integral of sin 2x dx? Correct answer is minus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, we know that integral of sin 2x dx is equal to minus cos 2x divided by 2. Now, therefore, we can write integral of x into sin 2x dx is equal to first function is x into integral of second. Integral of second means integral of sin 2x dx. We know that it is minus cos 2x divided by 2 minus integral of derivative of first function. The derivative of x is 1 into integral of second one, that is minus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. Here 1 into that will become okay, which is equal to here minus x by 2 cos 2x. Here is minus and minus, that will become plus 1 by 2 integral cos 2x dx. Okay, then we can write which is equal to minus x by 2 into cos 2x. Then integral of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2. Therefore, this will become plus 1 by 2 into sin 2x divided by 2. Okay, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That will become, this term will become sin 2x divided by 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore, our final answer is minus x by 2 cos 2x plus sin 2x divided by 4. This is our final answer. Okay. Therefore, integral of x sin 2x is equal to minus x by 2 cos 2x plus sin 2x divided by 4. Please write down on your notebook. Our next question is integrate log x. Okay, how to integrate log x? Okay, the question is integrate log x dx. Okay, integrate log x dx. This log x can be written as integral of log x into 1 dx. Okay, therefore remember that here our first function, that is u is log x, and the second function is 1, that is v. Therefore remember that here u equal to log x and v is equal to 1. Therefore integral log x into 1 dx is equal to first function into, this can be written as log x into 1 dx, which is equal to first function log x into integral of second, integral of 1 is x, minus integral of derivative of first. Derivative of first means derivative of log x, that is 1 by x, into integral of second x dx. Okay, that is equal to log x into x can be written as x log x minus, here x and x cancel, then the remaining is minus integral of 1 dx. We know that integral of 1 dx means integral of dx, that is equal to x. Okay, therefore our final answer is x can be taken outside from these two terms. Therefore x into log x minus 1. This is our final answer. X into log x minus 1. Therefore remember that integral of log x dx can be written as log x into 1. Therefore first function is log x and the second function is 1. Therefore integral of log x into 1 dx is equal to first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second, that is x log x minus x. X can be taken outside, then the final answer is x into log x minus 1. Okay, please write down. Now we can move to our next question. Please write down. Our next question is evaluate integral e raised to x into x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 square dx. Okay, our second question is integral e raised to x into x plus 1 dx divided by x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, the solution is, listen, integral e raised to x into x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 square dx. This can be written as integral e raised to x into, this x plus 1 can be written as x plus 2 minus 1. Okay, remember that x plus 1 can be written as x plus 2 minus 1 divided by x plus 2 square dx. Okay, which is equal to, now we can separate these two terms, then we will get integral, first function is e raised to x into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 square. X plus 2 cancel, then the remaining is integral e raised to x divided by x plus 2 dx minus integral e raised to x divided by x plus 2 square dx. Okay. Now this is our equation number 1. Okay. Equation number 1 is integral of e raised to x divided by x plus 2 dx minus integral of e raised to x divided by x plus 2 square dx. Then now we want to find out the value of this equation. Okay. Integral e raised to x divided by x plus 2 dx. This can be written as, this is integral 1 by x plus 2 into e raised to x dx. Here remember that here this function is the first function u and this is our second function v. Okay, integral of 1 by x plus 2 e raised to x dx. Remember that here our first function is 1 by x plus 2 and our second function is e raised to x dx. This can be written as, okay, first function into 1 by x plus 2 into integral of second function, that is e raised to x minus integral of derivative of first function. Here 1 by x plus 2, its derivative is minus 1 by x plus 2 square into integral of second e raised to x dx. Okay, that is, which is equal to e raised to x divided by x plus 2 minus and minus will become plus integral e raised to x divided by x plus 2 square dx. Okay, integral e raised to x divided by x plus 2 dx. Okay, now we can apply, we will get the value of integral e raised to x by x plus 2 as e raised to x divided by x plus 2 plus integral e raised to x divided by x plus 2 square dx. Okay, we are applying this result to equation number 1. That means we are replacing integral e raised to x by x plus 2 dx with these two terms. Then we can write, please write down. Now we are applying this result to equation number 1. Okay. Then the next step is we are applying this result to here. Then from equation 1, integral e raised to x by x plus 2 is equal to, we know that it is e raised to x divided by x plus 2 minus integral e raised to x divided by x plus 2 square dx. Here is minus, here is plus. Actually this, when we are expanding, here is plus. Then the last one is minus integral e raised to x divided by x plus 2 square dx. Okay, now we can cancel these two terms. These two terms are cancelling. Then the remaining is e raised to x divided by x plus 2. This is our final answer. Okay, e raised to x divided by x plus 2 is our final answer. Please write down. If you have any doubt, then please write down the comment box below. For more educational videos, please subscribe our channel. This is the solution of this question. Okay, please write down on your notebook.